All right, folks, we're going to take a quick look here at Montauk. This is the hamlet of Montauk. When I was a little younger, I used to bring my family here. We'd usually stay at Gurney's, and at night we'd come into Montauk to have dinner. My mother used to stay out here occasionally. It's a really sort of nice place. Been here for years and years and years. It's the furthest place out other than Montauk Point, which we have another video on, by the way. And people come out here because they like it. Beautiful out here. It's an absolutely beautiful day today, perfect blue sky, beautiful girls to look at. What could be more happy? It doesn't have that polished, expensive look that East Hampton has, or Southampton, which is even more old-fashioned, so to speak. I've stayed in hotels and motels here on the beach. You can rent one reasonably inexpensively here in Montauk. It's a lot cheaper than going to the Hamptons. And if you're under 30, it's a great place to be. Everything is sort of cute out here. If you go down that side street, you see a lot of beachfront motels to stay at. And there's John's Drive-In, which is hamburgers and food and ice cream. Gets busy all night long. Let's walk down the street and see what we see. The ocean is very rough today. There's a hurricane about 300 or 400 miles due east of here. It's really kicking up the water a great deal. This is where you hear famous names like the Hampton Jitney bus that goes from here to Manhattan. Here are names like Dan's Papers. A million years ago, Dan started as a paper boy delivering New York City papers to people in their homes. Now it's a big conglomerate with magazines and everything else. We used to come at night in here to play miniature golf with kids. Here's what typical old style motels used to look like. Tiny little room. The No-Tell Motel. Memory Motel and Bar. Make your memories. Toys for the kids to play with. Notice it's not as crowded on the sidewalk as East Hampton is. You should check out our other video. We have one on East Hampton, we have one on Bridgehampton, we have one on Amagansett, we have a significant one on Amagansett Beach you might want to take a look at. Years ago, I don't know if it's still the case or not because I can't be sure, lots of young Irish girls came in here from Ireland because they liked the fact it was a beach community, and they would work as servers, cooks, bus cleaning people, bussers, and they would work as chambermaids as well. They may or may not still be doing that. Their economy in Ireland is a lot better than it used to be. beautiful, absolutely beautiful day today. Lots of little bars, restaurants, and shops along this road. They've done a great job with the red brick. Red brick and blue sky makes the place look beautiful. This video is being brought to you by Gary's Tours in 4K and 60 frames per second. If you like it, please subscribe. See the red button down the lower right-hand side of the screen? Hit that red button, you automatically subscribe. All that means, it doesn't cost you anything, it's free. When we do a new video, you'll be notified about it in about 2 seconds on your iPhone. It's sort of a flash notification that Gary's Tours just did a new video. And that's it. And if you like it, that's even better. Little restaurant up there. The Blue Crush of Montauk. That's the tallest building in town across the street. Built a long time ago when there was some thought that maybe tall buildings would come here. That never happened. It's like about 8 stories, 9 stories tall. Wraps and salads, sandwiches. That's a lot of that they have here because a lot of the people who stay in the hotels don't have restaurants. They have to go out to restaurants to dine. This is the famous traffic circle in Montauk. Carl Fisher Plaza. I'm not giving you the history of Montauk because I don't know it. Not sure I want to know it. It's the Montauk Visitors Center. This is James Casper's photography. M&T Bank. What better place? Where would be a better place for us to take you? In the middle of August. It's Friday, August 22nd. Come out here to Montauk. Another restaurant, I've dined in there.
You know, I was to the chest.
Yeah, you got it. They had a coffee.
Perrier water and fall on the ground. But I'm not looking where I'm going. Cylinders, books. And that's about where it ends. Up there's a good souvenir store if you want to go to one. Inexpensive souvenirs. I used to go in there with my kids, and for $50 or $100 you can get all the souvenirs you wanted in Montauk. That's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and hit that red subscribe button and click a like, and come to Gary's Tours to watch our other 270 videos. Thank you for watching.